Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm unboxing for you not one, but two Fab Fit Fun boxes. So if you're new to my channel, I do some unboxing as well as some paper crafts, but what I want to tell you is today I have some advice for you. Instead of getting add-ons, you know when you can add on your customization choices for an extra $15 here and an extra $7 or $10 there. Instead of doing that, just buy an extra box. So this year, I liked the winter box so much and all of the customization choices were so good that I said I would be happy with anything they sent me. So I get a bit of a surprise as well as I had the opportunity to customize my own box. So for the first time in a long time, or maybe ever, they had the winter box as an option in the add-ons at a reduced cost. You could get it for $39.99. So I got a second box for $40. And I thought this was a good deal because if I added up, if in every customization choice, I added on one extra thing, I would be well over the $50 cost of the box. And I wouldn't get all the other things naturally that you get with it. So I'll just quickly show you what I ordered for my add-ons. So this is the Night Jasmine Spun Gel. It's very perfume smelling. I got two of those. I think these make great gifts. I absolutely love them, and I thought that I would like to gift some. I know specifically someone that I would like to gift it to. This one isn't as strong smelling. This is the Moonflower. Oh my gosh, these are small. I ordered these as a stocking stuffer for my daughter, and these are 4 bath bombs for $5. That was an amazing price. The Spun Gels were also $5 each, also an amazing price. I got the free add-on item as well as this Mint Mobile bonus item. I'll look more into that. So inside here, oh actually, and this is a gift for my husband. He really likes moleskin notebooks, and it's a leather bound, really nice weight of paper. I told him, I'm like, I'm ordering something for you from Fab Fit Fun. He's like, there's nothing that Fab Fit Fun has that I want. He doesn't even know there is something he wants. So that's for him. He doesn't watch my channel, so I don't have to worry about him being ruining the surprise. Okay. So here is the Fab Fit Fun box that I ordered and that I customized. So I'll show you what's inside it, and I'll tell you it's a lot heavier than the one that they sent me. So could be a good sign. I don't know. Let's take a look. So here's the first box. I love the box. It is super pretty. There we go. I'll show you what I chose, and then if you're curious to see what they send you, if they send you different things in your second box, if you add it on, then you'll find out. All the usual promotional stuff. If you've watched any unboxing, I'm sure you've seen everything. And you know, Fab Fit Fun is a seasonal subscription, $50 a box. There's a coupon. I'll leave a link down below. If you've never subscribed before, you can get a coupon for $10 off your first box, making it all $50. Or sorry, $40 instead of $50. Okay, so the first thing that I chose was the Unhide fuzzy blanket. It's super soft and very popular, and the reason why I chose this as my customization was because I really liked it, I wanted it, and I thought it's going to be so popular that this is not something that they're going to send me in my extra add-on box. So we'll see if that holds true. And here's the thing, even if they did send me a second blanket, I liked it enough to make it my customization, so I know I could gift it to someone who's like me, or honestly, one of my kids, because they're probably going to want to steal this. So even if I get duplicates, if it's something I liked enough to choose for my own box, I'd be happy to gift it to someone else. Or maybe I want double, like these Karuna face masks. Wouldn't mind getting 2 of these. I would not mind getting 2 of these Bluetooth shower speaker. I've seen some people do some unboxing, try them, and say that they work well. You don't have to use this in the shower. I would love to get 2 or 3 of these. I would love one in the shower. I would love to give one to each of my girls as well, so they could have a wireless speaker in their room that they could stick to the wall, that could be left plugged in all the time, that they could stream their music to. I'm very happy to get the Cuchillo Yoga hand and body wash. I will put this in our bathroom, which is blue. It'll match perfect, and who can't use hand wash? It's supposed to be worth $40, so I'm suspecting that that's pretty good. Here are some other things that came in everyone's box. The makeup eraser, I will be happy to have 2 of these. I've heard great things about how well they work. I'm glad to get rid of using makeup wipes and just use water on a cloth. So I'm very happy for that makeup eraser, as well as this Prep Rally Detangling Spray and leave-in conditioner. So I'll be happy to try something from Drybar. I've heard great things. The color switch was another customization choice that I chose for this box that I think would be something I don't need a duplicate of, but would be happy to pass along to one of my girlfriends. So as you guys know, if you follow my channel, I am a planner girl, sort of. I'm a paper lover. So if there's a choice that's going to be paper, I have to choose it. Even though I have so many planners, I have to choose this just to see what it's all about, because either I can find a good use for it or I can gift it to someone else, because I find it useful to have a calendar to jot things down. I actually use my calendars not as much as planning, but for memory keeping, a way of tracking things. If I want to keep track of what I've done at work, my YouTube channel, things that I can look back on to scrapbook later, that's what I use planners for. So I ordered another planner, and that's everything that came in this box. So I'm super excited to see what variations I got in my add-on box. So, now, the downside of ordering an add-on box, they don't come together. This is a problem more for me than you, because I actually don't get these shipped to my house. I actually ship them to a post office where I have to pay a fee for every box that's been delivered. So that's one downside. And I also waited for this box to come in before getting my other box. So this came much later. This was just delivered this week, where my other box, because I'm an annual member, was shipped out right away and came a long time ago. But you now get to see what happens, because most people who get the second box don't unbox them together. I'm also going to mention, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, hit that subscription button and the notification bell, because my next video, I am going to show you all my tips and tricks for how to maximize your dollar when ordering subscription boxes. First with Fab Fit Fun, as well as some other ones. Trust me, you're going to want to stay tuned. I order a lot of subscription boxes, and I have figured out all the secrets. So hit the notification bell and subscribe if you haven't already. Okay. Oh my God, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Okay, you guys, I was so tempted to order this. This is what I really wanted. I actually have a pair of high boot socks that match this pattern perfectly, and I live in a climate where a beanie and hand warmers are like perfect. I was so tempted to order this, but I thought, you know what? This isn't going to be the super popular item for the hero item of the box, the customization choice. I would have been happy with any of them. I wouldn't have loved the Jonathan Adler candle. I would have made use for it or gifted it. It was very nice. But this is what I wanted. I'm so excited. I can't believe that I got the one thing. So I was considering adding this on for $15 extra. But instead, for $40, I got a whole box. I get 8 more products, and I got the customization that I wanted. Okay, so this is great. Another great thing is, look at this. These thirsty hands. So FabFitFun chose between 2 items. They were going to either give you the hand and body wash or these Thirsty Hands gloves as their choice to add on. This was not something you could customize, and people got different things in the boxes. Well, I got both now. So I got the hand and body wash as well as the Thirsty Hands. So that's something different. Oh my God, this is so good. Oh my God, it's so good. I'm so excited. You guys, I got another Bluetooth speaker, which is exactly what I wanted. I have 2 girls and I couldn't decide which one to gift this to for Christmas. So I was thinking, well, maybe I just put it in the shower. Well, now they could each have one. This is so fantastic. Okay, the other good thing is these are some soft focus glow drops, and I kept seeing after the choices of people that picked the different items. When I saw this, I didn't really know what it was when I was customizing the first time, and I was like, you know what, that would have been something I kind of would have liked to have had. And I got it in this box. I'm so excited. I've heard it smells like candy. I don't know if it smells like candy actually. Kind of smells maybe like peppermint. I don't care. I'm so excited. I'm also so excited to get this. Ooh, this was another thing that I thought actually probably looked like a really good product. It wasn't something that I chose as in my customization, but I'm happy to have. I'm happy to try it out. I am just blown away happy. The only thing that I didn't pick was the slippers, that I would have also been happy to have the slippers. I didn't get those. Honestly, I don't wear slippers a lot. I actually wear slipper socks more than I wear slippers. So I'm super happy about that. I got this Ahava bath salt, which is a very nice product. I'm kind of glad I didn't get that coffee scrub. That was another one of the customizations that I didn't pick. There were 3 in that choice. I picked the color switch, and this was the other customization that I did not pick, but happy to have this over the the coffee scrub, which it could have been another one. And then these 2 items, you guys. So I have, like I said, an extra dry bar detangler and an extra makeup eraser. So overall, I am so happy. I'm just gonna like open this up right now and show you guys what it looks like, because I'm just like blown away. This was the one thing I was so tempted to add it onto my box, and I decided, nope, I'm going to just let the chips fall where they may, and I am going to add on a second box and hope that I get the one thing that I really wanted. Oh my gosh, so how does this work? So that's cute. I love these little hand warmer ideas. So if any of you watch The Holiday, I'm trying to find which way the thumb hole is on these. Yeah, there it is. If any of you watch The Holiday, Cameron Diaz is dancing around in the charming English cottage with these little hand warmers on. And honestly, I will think of her in that movie every time I wear these adorable little things. These are so cute. I am so glad that I got these. I'm so glad I got the second box. I love the beanie. It's totally adorable. You have no idea. These are matching a pair of socks that I have perfectly. I am going to look so coordinated. I also have a job where I need access to my fingers. I'm constantly punching things into a handheld at work, and I often wear the flip over gloves, which kind of can get in the way sometimes. So to have these free fingers on days that aren't super, super cold, I'm just ecstatic. Honestly, I would sit there and wear these around the house watching a movie or something. They're so adorable and cute. So that is so great. I am so over the moon happy with everything that I got. If you haven't subscribed to Fab Fit Fun, like I said, I have tried many subscription boxes, and honestly, hands down, it is my favorite. Like I said, stay tuned. The next video that I post is going to be a very informative subscription service tips and tricks. Trust me, you're going to want to see that. So if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do that. You are going to want to see the tips and tricks that I have to maximize the number of products that you get for the money that you spend, as well as why you should never, ever buy a Fabfitfun mystery bundle. After watching my video, I think you'll see that you agree. Okay, so thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time. Bye.